Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about Booleans. What is a Boolean? A Boolean is an object that is either true or false. True and false are keywords in Python. You can see them here. They are also case sensitive. PyCharm will display them in orange text. You can also store Booleans in a variable, like here. And so why are Booleans important? Often in programming, you want to test if some condition is true or false, and based on that value, you would take different actions. For example, if raining is true, you would want to bring an umbrella. If false, you would want to leave that umbrella at home. Furthermore, a lot of functionality within Python are built upon Booleans, which we will see in the coming videos, so stay tuned. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.